My name is Denise Bauer. I'm the Dean of Liberal Arts. The Applied Food Studies program is a program that builds on the AOS curriculum and academically extends those ideas into a liberal arts curriculum that has a hands-on focus. We're looking at issues and problems that are around us today in a socially responsible way. I think the students that come through this program will really understand the depth and breadth of food issues in the world today. It's also a very forward-thinking kind of program.
One of the things we want them to be prepared to do is to be able to address the challenges in the world, whether it be through climate change, whether it be through population growth. Those are the things that we look at. We try to really understand where we are, why we got here, and can we do things differently.
So these are issues that we will be focusing on throughout the program, coming at it from the direction of political science, economics, sociology, from the humanities, from a history perspective, a philosophy perspective.
Some of the courses we offer in Applied Food Studies are, of course, the ecology of food, anthropology of food, history of food, but we are also offering courses in food systems and sustainability and food policy.
What we have here in the Applied Food Studies program is an opportunity for students to give other skills that make them more marketable. Because they are thinking, they have both the strong culinary background, being in the kitchens, but also they have the really strong thinking background of being in the classrooms, of reading, of designing research projects, of doing their own work. That makes them much more attractive to employers.
It is wide open in terms of career opportunities. We can go publishing, we can go marketing, we can work for food services, education.
It broadens their opportunities in terms of they can now go into the field of politics or policy, staffers for congressional districts, working with community organizations, working with non-governmental organizations, and working with international organizations.
The conversation about food is bigger than the food industry itself, so we are talking these days about nutrition, we're studying about culinary traditions, we're studying about wellness, we're talking about food policy, and there's a lot of other themes that are related to foods. My hope is that our students will be able to engage and change the conversation that we have worldwide about food.
There's so many ways that our graduates could influence the food world. All it takes is one person, all it takes is one chef, all it takes is one new idea. And it can spark a new industry, it can spark a new way of looking at things. And you just never know where that spark is going to come from.